I'm making a Japanese fruit pie, and I'm reading the recipe as I'm doing it. So I have my 9-inch pie shell. I have my 2 eggs unbeaten. So I'm going to beat the eggs up first of all. 1, 2. I made this kind of pie several years ago. I haven't made it in quite a while. And I don't eat that many raisins, and this pie has raisins in it. So I'm beating my eggs up first of all. And then it calls for 1/3 cup butter melted. And this is actually 6 tablespoons of butter. So here's my 6 tablespoons of butter that I'm pouring into the eggs. I'm beating this up. I've lost the page that the recipe was on, so give me a minute to find it again. And then you add 1 cup white sugar. But since I don't use white sugar, I'm going to get my Truvia, which is a sugar that's derived from the stevia plant. Let me get my Truvia. This is the Truvia, and it's a cane sugar blend. So it calls for 1 cup of it. So I'm going to open this and measure 1 cup of Truvia. Okay. If you don't have any strength in your hands, you'll find that that's hard to do. So it's got this little pouring spout on it. Here goes my 1/2 cup. That's good enough. And 1/2 cup. Okay? 1/2 and 1/2 makes 1 whole. So there's my cup of Truvia, which is made from the stevia plant, and it's a natural sweetener that you can use in the place of white refined sugar. Okay, and then it says 1 tablespoon of white distilled vinegar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. So I'm going to put my vanilla flavoring in now. This is the Goodman's Original Vanilla Flavoring. Okay, beat that up. Let me get a tablespoon for my vinegar. Here's my tablespoon. Pour me very carefully 1 tablespoon of white distilled vinegar. Beat that in. And next is 1/2 cup chopped pecans, 1/2 cup flaked vanilla, and 1/2 cup raisin. And I did do that in advance, so here they all are. Let me pour them in together. What I didn't pour on the table, that I poured on the table, I'll pick up and put in the bowl, because I didn't mean to pour it on the table. Okay. And that's all your ingredients. So I've got it all mixed up good. And it looks like it's going to be good, y'all. So let me get that fruit and nuts out of there. And lay this over here to the side. And get my pecan crust prepared. our pie crust prepared. So it is a bought pie crust, and I've got it in my pie plate, my mother's Pyrex pie plate, and I'm pricking it around the sides and the bottom. And now I'm ready to pour my pie in it. So, let's give it a final stir with a spoon and pour it into our pie crust. And I've had my oven preheating to 350 degrees. And I'm going to put it in the oven and bake it up. And when it gets done, I'll post a picture of it in the comments. Let you see how it looks when it's done. And just to recap, that is 1 9/8 unbaked pie crust, 2 eggs beaten, 1/3 cup butter melted, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon distilled vinegar, white vinegar, 1/2 cup chopped nuts, pecans, 1/2 cup shredded coconut, and 1/2 cup raisins. And then you preheat your oven to 350, which I have done, and bake it for 40 minutes. I don't believe it's going to take 40 minutes, so I'll probably take it up before 40 minutes. But here's what it looks like before it's baked. And I'll let you see it after it comes out of the oven.